IntraStage's mission is to bring manufacturing intelligence to companies who manufacture high-quality electronic systems.
We help customers apply manufacturing intelligence to increase their product quality and improve their yield. And that means not just the high-level assembly or final assembly, it means the sub-assemblies, the lower-level assemblies, the child boards, and the components on those.
So why is it so important to combine multiple business systems to give a full picture of product quality? Performance data gives you the heartbeat and the overall quality of what you're building on the manufacturing floor. But by adding in other enterprise systems such as PLM, ERP, you provide a full picture of the true performance of that product. IntraStage Black Belt provides a single source of truth for a product throughout its entire life cycle.
Smart manufacturing is not reactive, it's proactive. It's understanding why you're failing or having issues, feeding that back into the process, and preventing those things from happening in the future. IntraStage is unique in the marketplace because we have a commercial off-the-shelf solution that supports complex electronics manufacturing.
We don't impact the process at any company we engage with, and we've been around for over 15 years dealing with parametric and performance data.
IntraStage Black Belt is an enterprise system because its values are enterprise goals: zero field defects and improved manufacturing velocity.
There are a lot of common terms out there: Industry 4.0, smart manufacturing, factory of the future. All of them point to the same thing: manufacturing intelligence.